Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here a new topic, chapter number 6, linear inequalities. What is the linear equations, what is the linear inequalities? Discuss one by one here. First things, what is the linear equations? Linear equations. What is the linear equations? Linear equation means those equations having ax plus b equal to 0. This is the linear equation because having the one exponent. Linear equations. This is a linear equation of the one variable. Only x here called the variables, and a and b are called the real number. A and b are called the real number, and x here called the literal number, algebraic number. A literal number, algebraic, this is the same thing here. And a and b are called as the real numbers. So what is this? Ax plus b equals 0. This is the equation, linear equations. This is the linear equation because using your equal sign. This is called the linear equations. Suppose ax plus b less than equal to 0, then if you using this sign of less than, greater than, less than equal, greater than equal, then it is called the inequalities. This is called the inequality. This is called the equations. Because you are having the equal sign or you are having the less than sign, any sign less than, greater than, this is every sign here called the inequality. The a and b are called the real numbers and x here called the algebraic number. This is, then it is make the algebraic expression. The second name here, suppose ax plus b. Suppose you have, this is called the algebraic expression. This is called the algebraic expression. This is called the equations, and this is called the inequalities. This is called the inequality. The same thing. When you putting your 0, then equation. If you are not putting anything less than, equal, anything else, then this is called the expression, algebraic expression. When you putting less than sign, otherwise ax plus b greater than, otherwise ax plus b greater than equal, otherwise ax plus b less than equal. So all are called is the inequalities. It means, this is called the, when you put equal sign, this is called the equation. If you not put any sign here, then it is called the algebraic expressions. Here a real number or two algebraic expression related to symbol that less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to form an inequalities. So this is called the inequalities. And linear, why is called linear? Because algebraic number having the power 1. Any algebraic number having the power 1, this is called the linear. Or suppose this power will be changed, ax square plus b, this equal to b. This is not linear. This is quadratic. Power having 2, this is called the quadratic. Power is 1, this is called the linear. Then it is called the linear, it is called the quadratic. But this is not in your syllabus. Your syllabus only linear part. So this is linear. This is the algebraic expression. This is called the linear equations. This is called the linear inequalities. So yes, you note down it. Then I will explain what is the rules of this linear equalities. Yes, students. Next point here. What is the rules of the inequalities? First we discuss here the linear equations rules. Suppose here linear equations here ax plus b equal 0. This is the linear equations. and this is your linear inequalities. Ax plus b greater than equal to 0, ax plus b less than equal to 0, ax plus b greater than equal to 0, ax plus b less than equal to 0. There are 4 inequalities here, and this is the linear equations. When you add and subtract in linear equation, the equation will be values not change. Same thing, suppose you are ax plus b, suppose you are adding here 2, so then equation 0 plus 2, the value of the equation will be not change. The same thing here, when you positive number and negative add and subtract, ax plus b minus 2, yeah, minus 3, minus 4, this is not matter. The value of the equations will be, this is the equations, this is not inequalities. Same rules here, to when you, rule number first, when you add and subtract both side of the inequalities, the value of the inequalities is not changed, sign of the inequalities is not changed. It means, suppose ax plus b plus 4 greater than 0 plus 4. The sign will be not changed. Sign is the same thing here. Suppose your inequalities are ax plus b greater than 0. Then these inequalities we are adding for both sides. The sign of the inequalities is not changed, and value also is not changed. Same rules. Equations and equalities are same rules. Second rules. This is the first rule. Second rules here. When you multiply and divide any numbers here, second rules here, when you suppose multiply ax plus b, both sides here, suppose you are divide by 2, here 4 divide by 2, any positive number multiply or divide. Multiply, suppose here ax plus b multiply by 3 and 4 multiply by 3. Suppose you multiply by 3, then multiply any real numbers, divide by any real numbers, then value of the inequality is not changed and sign of the equation is not changed. Same rules here. Suppose ax plus b divide by 2 greater than 4 divide by 2, then sign will be not changed, but only positive integers, positive integer, not any real number, only positive integers. Same thing here, only positive integer, not any real number. When you multiply and divide by any positive integer on inequalities, then value of the inequalities and sign of the inequalities not changed. So rule number second. But when you multiply by and divide by negative integers, when you multiply by, but in inequalities, when you suppose inequality ax plus b greater than 0, when you multiply by divide negative numbers here, 4 greater than 4, the ax plus b divide by sign, this will be sign is changed. When you multiply, suppose multiply ax plus b multiply by minus 2 here, this sign will be here, this according to this inequalities, this sign will be changed, minus 2 into 4. Suppose given inequalities here, when you multiply by minus 2 both sides, so this sign will be reversed. Reverse means greater than sign change into less than. Greater than sign change to reverse. And same here, when divide by both sides negative sign, then positive greater than sign reverse into less than sign. When you divide, when you multiply, then sign will be reversed. Means, but when you multiply and divide positive integers, then sign will be not changed. Second thing, first note down it. Next thing, graphical solution. When you find the graphical solution, what value of the x, this is not matter. any value of the x, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, this is not matter, any value of the x, y, z, this is not matter. But when you find the graphical solution, then less than or greater than two symbol, then are you using the dot line. When are using you greater than equal, less than equal, then you are using the dark line. How to represent of the graphical solution in the less than sign or greater than sign in the graphical solution is represented by the dash line. According this way, when you find the graphical solution of less than and greater than, then you will represent the dash line. Second thing, when you find the graphical solution of greater than equal, less than equal, then you will using the dark line. In the dark line means you are solving the value of less than, greater than equal, less than equal. When the dash line is represent, then it means you are finding the solution of less than and greater than and less than inequalities. So this is the symbol of dash line, symbol of less than, greater than, less than, or this is dark line is the symbol of greater than equal, less than equal. These things you remember it. What is the symbol of the dash line, dotted line? This is called a dotted line, or this is called dark line. So dark line is the symbol of greater than equal, less than equal, or dotted line is the symbol of less than and only greater than. So you have only two rules. First rule here, when you add and subtract inequalities in both sides, the value of the inequality is not changed and sign also is not changed. Rule number second, when you divide and subtract, so when you divide and multiply any positive integers, then value of the inequality is not changed and sign also is not changed. But when you multiply and divide negative integers, then sign will be reversed. Greater than sign is greater than sign change, less than sign is change, greater than sign. Same, less than equal to change, greater than equal to change to less than equal to. In this way, only two rules here and graphical representation here. Yes, note down, then start the exercise. Yes, class. Understand these questions. Okay, how to solve the linear inequalities in different categories, where x is the natural numbers. In this inequality, 24x less than 100. When x is the natural number, what is the solution set? When x is the integers, so what is the solution set of these inequalities? Yes. This exercise is 6.1, the part 1 first lecture of this exercise. Yes, start the solution here. First, given inequalities here, 24x less than 100. 24x less than 100. How to solve it? You will solve the value of the x in both parts, finding a solution set of the x. At x here given condition, x is natural number in first condition and x is integer in second condition. It means you are finding the value of the x in this inequalities. Yes, 24x divided by 24 less than 100 divided by 24. When you divide any inequalities positive integer, the sign will be not change and value will be not change. Here 24, how to remove the 24 here? Because when you divide by 24, then it will be removed here. The 24 divided by both sides here. So this will be cancelled here. What is left? X 24. What is left here? Cancel 50 and 12. And 50 upon 12. Again cancel here 25 by 6. Value of the x is 25 by 6. And you calculate it. What value of the x? 4, 6, 4 is 24, 1 by 6. X, value of x is less than 4 whole 1 by 6. Our first condition, when x is natural number. First is when x is the natural number. You know the natural number only is the positive, not negatives. Second thing, natural number only a fixed number, not a decimal, not a fraction number. It means, and this is the value of the x 4 whole 1 by 6. This is less than. It means next value here will be 5. Your natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means this is the less than 4. This is the less than 4. This value of the x is less than 4. It means less than 4. 4 here included. Then less than 4 means what is the solution set? Solution set of given equality. The solution set of the given equality, this given equality, when x is the natural number, is not, if it is less than 4, then we are counting the 3, but here is 4 whole 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is extra here, then you can write here 1, 2, 3 and 4, because 4 whole 1 by 6 is divided on the number line. Suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 1 by 6, this is the 1 by 6, 4 whole 1 by 6. This is the position. The less than of this means including 4. Including 4, less than of 6, 1 by 6 of position of this. Including 4 here, that means less than of 4. Means between this and this, 0. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So when x is the natural number, the solution set of the given inequalities is 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than 4 whole 1 by 6. Not only 4. Here 1 by 6 also including here. 4 whole 1 by 6. It means 4 will be included here. 1 by 6 is more than 4. The 4 is included here. And suppose here simple 4. Suppose here x equal to less than 4, x less than 4, then 4 will be not included. Then 4 will be not included, but 1 by 6 extra here, then 4 will be included here. So this is the first answer. Second part, x is an integer when x is an integer, then the solution set of the given equality. When x is the integer, then solution set of the given inequalities is solution set of the given equalities. Now look here. You know make the integer number lines. This is the 4, this is the 5, and this is the 3, this is the 2, this is the 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, that's the dash. Our position of the number here 4 whole 1 by 6. This is the position of numbers. And less than of this. That means 4 is including here 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Every number including here less than or 4 1 by 6. Every number here including it means dash 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 minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 3 and 4. 4 will be counted here. So every number positive, largest integer here 4, but smallest is not counted here. Many integers are in this less than of 4. in negative, -5, -6, -7, -100, every number, then you are putting here dash 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 dash, then using a symbol dash dash dash. Here when second case, when x is the integer, then solution set of this. When x is the natural number, then solution set of this. The different case having the different solution sets. Yes, you note down. Then next questions. Yes, student. Next question I am taking question number 4 here. Here condition some changing. Okay, x is an integer or x is an real numbers. Our inequality is given 3x plus 8 greater than 2. In first question having the less than, again we are given greater than. Our condition also change here. Now start the solution here. First write the 3x plus 8 greater than 2. First we'll find the value of the x with help of this inequality. First removing the addition 8. Means how to remove this, then you will subtract both side by 8. Then 3x plus 8, then minus 8 and 2 minus 8. When you add and subtract, rule number first, when you add and subtract any integers, then sign and value of the inequality is not changed. Sign will be not changed. Then what is left here? 3x greater than minus 6. After that you will removing this 3. This is the positive 3. Then how to remove it? This is the multiplication. Then it will be removed by divide. Then 3x divided by 3. This is the positive integers greater than minus 6 upon. You are dividing only positive integers. Then sign will be same. Sign will be not changed because you are dividing both sides positive integers. What is left here? X greater than minus 2. The value of the inequality is greater than minus 2. First condition here, when x is an integer. When x is the integer, what value of the x? What is the solution set? The solution set of given equality is, when x is the integer, what is the solution set, solution region, solution part, solution area? Then solution set and solution area, solution region, then it will be minus 2. X is greater than minus 2. That means minus 1, 0, 1, 2, dash dash dash. Means minimum value are minus 1. Minus 2 is not including here, only greater than symbol. Then minus 2 means greater than minus 2 means minus 1. 0, 1, 2, dash dash dash. So you can write in this way, and because you are integers, then you write in this way. Second part, x is the real number when x is a real number, then solution set of given equality is, when x is the real number. Second part here write the real numbers. Then when x is the real number, then solution set of given equalities. So this is also minus, or you know, every, suppose you have numbers here 1, 2, 3. So how many real numbers are between 1 and 2? Yeah, between 2 and 3. The infinite real numbers. Any two integers, between two any two integers having the infinite real numbers. Between two any integers having infinite of the real numbers. then you are not represent here 1 2 3 4 5. 1 and 2 having the infinite real numbers, same things 2 and 3 having the infinite real numbers. Similarly here, suppose here I write -1 and 0, -1 between -1 and 0 having the infinite real number. So how to represent here the solution of the set of inequalities? Then you can write here open interval -1 to infinite. So minus 1 is equal, then is a closed interval. Otherwise you can represent -2 into infinite. Closed interval represent the including this limit. Open interval represent the not including this limit. Infinite is not including. -2 here. Otherwise you can say open interval. This is the both open interval here. The -2 is not including, or infinite is not including between this all real numbers. Or here represent -1. This here using here closed interval. Closed interval represent the including this limit also. So you know this is symbol of the closed interval, or this is symbol of the open interval. This is symbol of closed interval, or this is symbol of the open interval. So when are using the closed interval means limit is using -1 using here, or when using the open interval, so means -2 and infinite not using, between all real number are using here. Then this is your second answer. This is your second answer. This is your first answer. In this way you will solve the question. First you find the value of x, or then you will set up, you will put the value according to given conditions.